Here I've got Sharp Aqua C10 and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to find and select the browser that you are using. In my case it's Google Chrome. Then click on the More icon, pick History, and then click on Clear Browsing Data. Here you can pick either basic functions, which are browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, or the advanced, which have also saved passwords, autofill for data, site settings and media licenses. Obviously you can skip some function if you want to, for example you can leave autofill from data, but I would like to remove them all, and then select the time range, so you can delete content from last hour, last 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time, and this is what I will choose, and finally click on clear data. And that's it. As you can see, there is no history here and you can create it from the beginning. So that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.